get out of this. I gotta think fast. Trapped.
Oh, boy, they've trapped the Wabbit.
Look, fellas, I'm Rin Tin Tin.
Now I got you. You're a dead Wabbit.
Telegram for Elmer Fudd.
What's up, Doc?
Dear nephew, I'm leaving you $3 million in my will. Uncle Louie. Oh, boy, I'm rich. I'm rich. P.S. But you don't get 1 cent if you harm any animals, especially Wabbits. You're free now with the Wabbit. Go and romp and frolic in the forest. Oh, boy, I'm rich.
Okay, fellas, break it up, break it up.
$3 million.
Angel in the skies. Angel in the sky.
Come on out or I'll blow your head off.
I'm just an angel in the sky.
Please, Mr. Wabbit, go on back to the forest where you belong. Be nice with the Wabbit.
Ooh, ouch, ouch! Hey, what are you trying to do? Kill me? Hey, you're fracturing my skull. I'm gonna call Uncle Louie. That's what I'm gonna do. Operator, operator! Hey, you got a nickel? Hello, operator, operator! Give me walnut treat. Oh, that's you, Mert? How's every little thing?
Please, Mr. Wabbit, don't call Uncle Louie. I won't hurt you again. I promise.
Well, okay, but watch your step after this, fat boy. Hey, what do you got to eat around this joint?
Eat? Oh, fix this guy. Think he'll trick me, huh? Step right this way. That'll fix him.
Why, that dirty double-crosser. Let me in. Open up! Hey, I'm getting pneumonia. Open up! I'll die. No, I'm too young to die. Please let me in. Hey, this scene ought to get me the Academy Award. Say goodbye to Uncle Louie for me. Oh.
Uncle Louie? What have I done? $3 million all shot to pieces. Don't die with the Wabbit. Please don't die. Walk-a-bye, baby, on a treetop. When the wind blows your cradle.
Come on, that stuff. Swing it.
Walk-a-bye, baby, on a treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall. Down will come baby.
Special delivery.
Your Uncle Louie has kicked the bucket. You now inherit $3 million. Inheritance tax, $2 million. Defense tax, Check County, which leaves you owing us $1.98. Please remit.
You don't get the dough, Butterball.
No, but I'm gonna get you.
Yipe! Well, yipe again! Don't go down there. It's dark.
Good riddance to bad rubbish.
Easter greetings.